I'm kind of that typical millennial that you grew up with Steve Irwin. So that kind of grew my love, especially for reptiles, but I was always that kid going to the zoos a lot when I was younger, to pet stores. We had a lot of animals growing up. I'm actually studying wildlife management at Prescott College, and my goal is to, short term I think it'd be good to start out in a zoo now that I've kind of had this foundation. But ideally, yeah, just any kind of wildlife management programs, wildlife rehabilitation, fish and game kind of work. My advisor, Mark Regner on campus, actually told me about the zoo, and he's the one that got me interested in coming here to check it out. Basically, I shadow a keeper all day in whatever area of the zoo that they're at, and I basically help them with the feedings and cleanings on the animals, and then any extra duties that we have to care for the animals. My favorite animal is actually a giraffe, but I am a reptile person. It's one thing to learn in a classroom about animal behavior, especially in the wild, but it's a whole nother ballpark when they're in captivity. So I think something that I've learned most importantly here is just the interactions and the behavior with animals when they're in captivity, because it is very different.
Here's one piece, but it's like really thick. Yeah, I don't want to mess with it too much.
I think it's an awesome opportunity for anyone that's in this field to get this kind of experience under your belt as an undergrad. You get one-on-one experience in handling with these animals that you wouldn't get anywhere else.